Hi everyone, every tip you're about to hear in this video comes from specialized technicians at this appliance repair shop with a lot of experience. So let's solve this issue together. Basically, when your dishwasher shows the LE error, it's warning you about a problem with the water level or the internal float, and as a safety measure, it stops the wash cycle. Some clients tell us, I started the cycle and suddenly LE appeared and it wouldn't continue, or I tried restarting it several times, but the error kept coming back. This indicates that the system detected something irregular and stopped to protect the machine. At the same time, many clients notice that before the error appears, the dishwasher makes strange clicking sounds or the fill motor runs irregularly. One client said, it sounded like it was trying to fill with water, but nothing happened, and then LE appeared. This confirms that the problem is usually related to the level sensor or the float that detects the water amount. From a technical standpoint, this error is usually linked to the float, level sensor, water inlet valve, or the control board. One technician told me, if the float gets stuck or the valve doesn't open properly, the board stops the cycle and shows LE to prevent flooding. Even Samsung notes that this code can appear when sensors are faulty, valves are blocked, or debris prevents the float from moving freely. There are also simpler situations that cause the same issue. Many times clients bring in their dishwasher and we find loose wires, a float stuck with food debris, or dirt in the inlet valve, which cause incorrect readings and trigger the error. Cleaning and securing these parts usually solves the problem quickly, and clients are often surprised at how easy it was. Sometimes the LE error happens because the level sensor or valve is damaged, or the control board has a minor fault. In the shop, we've seen that replacing the sensor or securing the connectors restores the dishwasher to normal. One client said, I thought it was broken, but we cleaned the float and checked the wires and it worked perfectly again, showing that you often don't need to replace the entire control board. We also recommend checking the water supply and pressure, because if the pressure is low or water isn't reaching the dishwasher properly, it can't fill the tank and triggers the LE error. Some clients notice this when they say, it wouldn't fill with water and LE appeared until we checked the shutoff valve, and adjusting the supply usually prevents the code from coming back.